Hey guys, welcome to a new channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can bypass FRP on Infinix Smart Series. So watch the video till the end to bypass the FRP on any Infinix or any other brand phone which comes on Android 9, 10 or 11. So here we go. Make sure to watch the video till the end so that you don't skip any important part. So guys, that's how you can bypass FRP on Infinix or any other Android phone which is running on Android 9 or 10. So that's all in this video. Make sure to sub the channel and leave a thumbs up. Bye for now.